Make yourselves comfortable. We'll get you assigned to your rooms. If you have any complaints, keep them to yourself, okay? But this is One Africa. Where's my good buddy, Bomani? And I know up to now you guys have had a very interesting time, and it's probably going to get even more interesting before you leave. So my name, I think I met most of you all the other day in Accra. But in case I didn't meet you, my name is Imacus Njinga Akofu Ababio, which I know is a mouthful. But Africans have long names, and most of the time they mean something. So we have, this is our cultural group. David is the leader of the group as well as the director of an orphanage. Most of these children are orphans, and they come out whenever we need them. They are entrepreneurial. You know, it's kind of hard to say that they're lazy Ghanaians, because you see them people running up and down the streets, hawking, selling stuff. That ain't lazy at all. That's called survival. That's called entrepreneurial. So this place, I've been here for the past 25 years. We've been operating this place, One Africa, since 1996. And our purpose is to be here for brothers and sisters, to help you to return to the land of your ancestors, to help you to make a decision as to whether or not you want to spend the rest of your life here or whether you want to stay over there in hell, which is your choice, okay? As my brother told me, once you have been to heaven, you don't want to go back to hell, okay? The Elmina Castle Dungeons is to the right of us. The Cape Coast Castle Dungeons is to the left of us. And we, as repatriated Africans, African ascendants, as opposed to descendants, because I say we're not going down to anything, but we're rising up to everything. So we are African ascendants that find ourselves geographically situated between two major edifices that housed our ancestors. That is not a coincidence. Coincidence is a word that we don't use, because there are no such thing as coincidences, okay? I believe in divine intervention and the fact that the Creator gives us what we ask for. Sometimes we get more than what we ask for, okay? But you are welcome. This is your home for the next 3 days. The best food you've eaten since you've been in Ghana is going to be here, okay? That's not me, I'm not the cook, I'm the administrator. And I take notes from my visitors, and they all say the same thing. 99% of them say this is the best food they've eaten since they've been here. So you'll get an opportunity to make a comment, complain outside the gate, okay? We open at 8 o'clock, the kitchen opens, so anywhere between 8 and 9, breakfast will be served. You have a regular breakfast, what we call complimentary. I wish you wouldn't lean up against that coconut tree, brother. Both of y'all. Coconuts do fall out of trees now. This is not a Maureen O'Hara movie, okay? They do fall out of trees, so you shouldn't stand right up under, okay? But, so we'll have breakfast between 8 and 9. And, you know, y'all can sit down if you want. You don't have to stand up. If you want to stand, it's okay. But we set the table up for you. We're going to have dinner at about 6, 6:30, after you get you squared away in your rooms. Each of our rooms are named after ancestors. John Henry Clark, Marcus Garvey, Harriet Ross Tubman, Malik El Shabazz,